2027 release of ShipConstructor streamlines modeling, provides platform updates, and includes new tools for learning from the SSI training curriculum. In conjunction with Autodesk annual updates, ShipConstructor 2027 now supports both AutoCAD and Navisworks 2027, including AutoCAD, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Plant 3D, as well as both Navisworks Simulate and Navisworks Manage 2027. The ability to assign naming conventions to project elements provides users with full control over how these items are displayed in final production. In this release, the ability to assign naming conventions to structure stock materials means stock names can now be included alongside existing part information. Where previously only the stock type plate was available, with this update, the actual structure stock can be viewed, providing further clarity for production etched parts. With ongoing improvements to electrical modeling, ShipConstructor 2027 has removed the requirement to first define space allocations prior to modeling cable support parts such as trays and hangers. The SC Cable Support Free command allows modelers to generate wireway supports beforehand, ensuring a more efficient workflow for electrical modeling, especially in complex or congested areas of the model. Ongoing improvements to the Fit Compartment feature now include space and geometry calculations of space allocations, standard assemblies, and cable supports. The result is a more accurate representation of the generated volumes when using Fit Compartments. SSI is committed to providing ShipConstructor users with the most up-to-date, industry-leading training for shipbuilding professionals. With this release, electrical training courses are now available. This courseware will provide details on electrical modeling, focusing on the use of space allocations when designing electrical wireways and their function within distributed electrical systems throughout the model. Find the latest release and training curriculum at SSI Nexus today.